Hi everyone, welcome to our school YouTube channel. In darker days of our schooling during these pandemics, how fit and fine our students are in their minds and in their behaviors. Do we have dream for our children, or we make our children dream towards their future? If so, do we make our children to chase the dream come true? On this Children's Day, our students are being motivated to perform and to exhibit the talents in form of reaching the destination. Welcome all of you to watch and to share our students' Children's Day program. God bless.
Hello viewers, today is a special day for children. Every year in our school we celebrate this day to show them how special they are. Across the country, November 14th is celebrated as Children's Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Now he was the first Prime Minister of present India. He loved all the children. People also loved him and called him Chacha Nehru. Now why this day is celebrated? Day back in the late till 1956, November 20, it was celebrated as Universal Children's Day. After the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, his birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day. Since that day onwards, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. He cared for their birth, right, and child care and education for them. Now he thought that children are the assets of the country. He believed in the strong minds of the young people. Now today, let us take time to feel them happy and show how proud and worth they are today. Now dear viewers, share and subscribe. Thank you.
everyone. Happy wishes to all friends and viewers of our channel. I am indeed glad to invite you all for this Children's Day celebration, especially to our children. Happy Children's Day. As a school family, we plan to conduct different levels of competitions as fancy dress competition. The first level is from our KG children. They come to and present to us as plants and trees. The plants and trees which are very useful to us in our day-to-day life. The second level is of classes, the children from first standard to second standard. These children are going to present to us as fruits and vegetables. The fruits that we use in our day-to-day life that keeps us away from doctors. The third level is of children from standard 3rd, 4th and 5th. And these children are going to appear in front of us with different types of birds and animals. They are going to demonstrate and describe about different types of birds and animals. Hope you all will enjoy. Keep watching our channel. Thank you.
This is daily. Thank you. Bye bye. fruit. They grow on a wrapper. Grapes are different colors and sizes. Black grapes are famous for their use in making alcohol. Grapes are good sources of vitamin and minerals.
I'm apple. I'm round in shape. I'm red and green in color. I'm tan sour in taste. I'm winter food, but available all the time.
Lady finger, vegetable. I am green in color. I am also known as Cobra. I am rich in many nutrition. I am Goa, healthy Indian fruit. And I am lot of nutrients. Like vitamin C. Eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But one guava is equal to 4 apples. I am a carrot. I am red or orange in color, rich in vitamin and iron. It is good for our eyes and body. Please see me every day. Stay healthy, thank you. I am spinach. I am green in color. I am leafy vegetable. If you ate me to give us vitamin, iron and minerals. I have medicinal values. I look forward eyes, hair and bone and skin. I look forward health. Can be eaten as cooked vegetables. I am a rabbit. I am either grey, white, brown or cream in color. I eat grass. I have big and strong back legs so I can run really fast. I am a very shy animal and often to use as a pet. I am an octopus. I am a sea creature. My body is soft and squishy. I have 8 arms, also called tentacles. I have no spine. I come in different sizes and colors. I can camouflage, which means I can change my colors to match my surrounding. I have lots of suction cups in my 8 arms. Help me to catch, eat, prey. I eat, grill, small fishes, crabs, snail. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I wear deer costume. I am deer. I am a wild animal. I have smooth brown fur on my body. I have great hearing senses. I have antlers on my head to fight against animals. I eat grasses and small plants. I found in different parts of Asia, Europe and North America.
Can you find me? It's me, the tiger. I belong to cat family. People call me the national animal of India. I am really proud of this. You can see me in
zoos and jungles.
Good morning to everyone. I am the seahorse. I'm a tiny fish. My face looks like a horse. I don't have teeth and stomach. I eat small plants, small fish and plankton. I swim slowly and grab things from my tail. My lifespan is 1 to 4 years and I'm used for medicinal reasons. So please save and protect me.
I am a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird in grey color. Sparrow eat insects, seeds, fruits, etc. Sparrow build their nest on trees, buildings, bushes, etc. We celebrate World Sparrow Day on March 20. Please keep a bowl of water in upstairs. It is our duty. Please save sparrow.
I am peacock. I am in blue and green color. I have beautiful crown on my head. I am famous for my bright feathers. I love rainy season. I dance in the rain by spreading my feathers. I am national bird of our India. I can make 11 different sounds. One of the most beautiful bird on the earth. I am a rodent. I have sharp spine in my back. They defend me from pros. I'm third biggest rodent. I have different shades like brown, grey and white and very intelligent. I am fast learner. I eat fruits and leaf and plants.
I am an eagle, king of bird. I am the national bird of America. I am a carnivorous. My wings soar and glide. I built my home at the tall trees and cliffs. I live for 70 years and I born again at the age of 40. I fly over the clouds.
I am a peacock, the national bird of India. My colorful feathers makes me very beautiful, attractive. I can fly only in the short distance. I found in very few countries like India, Myanmar and Sri Lanka and African continent. Thank you. Hi friends, do you know who I am? I am a lion. I am a king of the jungle. Why you ask I am the king of the jungle? See my mane. It's big and brown and scares everyone around. Yes, I am dangerous. Teeth are so sharp like a pointed knife. I can run so fast to catch my prey. Yes, I am dangerous, but don't afraid. I am also friendly and the justly king.
I am Maka. I am one of the most beautiful parrot in the world. I am in different colors. I have a long tail and feathers. I have a strong beak to crack open the hard nuts and seeds. I feed seeds and nuts and fruits. I live in rainforest for 60 to 80 years. Thank you.
Dear sir and ma'am, my name is Mohammad Abdul. I am studying in LKG. I am yummy mango trees. I am a king of fruits. I need air and water and sun to grow up. Everybody like to eat me.
Please don't me cut me. Save me trees and plants. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kashif. My name is studying in LKG. And juicy and sweetie. And sweetie. I am unhealthy. Healthy. And strawberry. And letting color. I am and sweetie and letting color and good for heart. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Jania. What today? Have my appetite. Thank you. Bye bye.
Pumpkin. Wall. Vegetable. It's made me or me eating.
Hello everyone, I am Rose Plant, the king of flowers and the symbol of love. I have different colors like red, pink, orange, yellow, white. I have a sweet smell, so people use me to make perfume. I am edible because I have medicinal value. Chacha Nehru always keeps me pinned to his coat. Everyone likes me, but beware of my thorns. I might prick you. Thank you.
I have neem tree. I have many fish. For health, I give good of vision. Vision increases immunity power.
Today, I am going to talk about Moringa oleifera. It is economically valuable, fast-growing, resistant tree. You can see it across tropical regions. It is the most important crop in India, especially South India. It is rich in protein, vitamin A, B, C, iron, magnesium. This good immune booster. It's good for skin, BP, heart problem, and more. I have moringa at my home garden. I eat twice a week. You too eat, get it benefit.
I am a coconut. I am brown in color. My water is very healthy. My outer part is very hard. My inner part is very soft. I have become orange. I am rounded shape. I am orange color. People use me every day. My name is Banana. I am yellow color. I am sweet and healthy fruits. I am rich in vitamins. So my dear friends, eat bananas daily. Do you know who am I? I am fruit. I am pineapple. I am tasty, tangy, very healthy. So my dear friends, eat me fresh juice and ice creams, cake. Thanks.
I am grapes. I am so yummy and juicy. I am sour and sweet. I am small and round in shape. I am a creeper found in large bunches. I am a healthy fruit. Grass plant is called vine. Dry grapes are called dry stands.
They are called kismis in India. Grapes require hot and dry climate to grow. We get mainly in summer season. We used to make jam, jelly, juice. They are good for our heart, antioxidants for our eyes. They are largest the grapes producer in the world is Italy and France. Children like to eat daikyu.
I am a dragon fruit. I am a family of cactus species. I am highly rich in proteins and minerals.
I am yummy mango. I am the king of fruit. I am national fruit of India. My color are yellow, green and orange. I am rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and D. I am very sweet and tasty. People like to eat me very much. Thank you.
I am the national tiger because 80% of world's tigers are found here in India. But I live in the zoo at Vandalur, Chennai. And I have come here to greet you all Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
I am Marigaran from 3rd standard. Good morning, principal, teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. It gives us wool, milk and meat. They are found in mountainous region. Sheep are herbivorous animal. The favorite food is grass and leaves. The average lifespan of sheep is 10 to 12 years. The sound of sheep is like ba ba. Sheep is a useful animal.
I am a parrot. I am a beautiful bird. I am green in color. I eat fruits and seeds. My favorite fruit is guava. I fly in the sky, live in the tree. All. Thank you. Kiki.
Good morning to all. My name is P. Pratana Sibi. I am the dove. I am one color bird. I am the symbol of peace. I eat fruits and grains.
Can you find me? Yes, I am the orange and black striped animal. It's me, the tiger. I belong to the cat family and I am the biggest of all. I have sharp claws and sharp teeth to catch my prey. My prey are usually deer, buffalo, birds, leopards, etc. Best strength I have is my back leg or longer than that front leg. You know, second special thing about me is I like swimming very much. I am the national animal of India. I am really proud of this. You can see me in zoos and jungles. Recently, people are hunting my friends a lot. Please stop killing us. Try to protect us. We won't disturb you people. You also don't disturb us. Let us to live happily. The most mysterious creature in the sea. I am an aquatic animal which ate 20 arms. I am having soft, black-like body and cool on my chest. My love everybody. I am giraffe. I am the tallest wild animal in the world. I am pure vegetarian. I do not harm humans. I found mostly in Africa. Thank you.
I am rabbit. I have strong long back legs, so I can run really fast. In this cruel world, I am one of the softest and sweetest animal. I want to live peacefully in my burrow and eat carrot. If you make me your pet, I will shower love on you. I am in white color and my color is symbol of peace. So I request all people love us and maintain peace. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am king of forest. I am strongest wild animal. I run very fastly, roar and loudly. Ah.
I am Daniel. I am Nationality. I am Future. Thank you, Sonia. My name is Sunflower. My seeds are oil. My leaves are medicines. Have a healthy life. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Papaya. With me, I am very healthy. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Parents, teachers, I am Yam Dynasty UKGA. I am the nationality of India. I am the Nani. I am the nationality of India. I give you fruits, vegetables, flowers, oxygen, medicine, etc. I am the tree. Please save me and draw more trees. My ma'am, I am the parents, flower, teacher, flower. Good morning, experts, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am an apple. I am red and green in color. I am very sweet. My pulpers used to make jelly, juice, jam. I am good for your health, makes you strong. I am good source of fiber and vitamin C. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. And not பச்சை என்ன சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? என்ன சாப்பிட்டால் அழகா போகும். எனக்கு அதிகமா செஞ்சிருக்கு. Vitamin A, C உள்ளது. I am a carrot. I am orange in color. I am rich in vitamin and iron. I am sweet in taste. I used to make salads, pickles, juices and pudding. I am good for eyes and head. My juice is very tasty. Thank you. I am pomegranate. I am a red color fruit. I have tiny pods செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் அனீஷ். என்னோட பேர் கேரட். நான் உங்களுக்கு நல்ல நண்பன். நான் மண்ணுக்கடியில் நன்றாக வளருவேன். நீ சமைத்தும் சாப்பிடலாம், பச்சையாகவும் சாப்பிடலாம். நீ சாப்பிட்ற நிறம் ஆரஞ்சு. நிறம் ஆரஞ்சு. நீ சமைத்தும் சாப்பிடலாம், பச்சையாகவும் சாப்பிடலாம். நிறம் ஆரஞ்சு. நீ சாப்பிடுவதால் கண்களுக்கு நல்லது. அவங்களுக்கு ஊட்டச்சத்துக்கள் நிறைய தருவேன். உடம்புலேயே தொங்கி உள்ளது.
My name is Carrot. I am a vegetable. My color is orange. I am a healthy vegetable. My taste sweet. I protect your eyes. Vitamin A and immunity your body. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Yanni Mango. I am king of fruit. I am national fruit of India. My colors are yellow, orange and green. I am rich in vitamin A, C and D. I am sweet and tasty. People like to eat me very much. Mamayo, Mangoga Mamayo, Select Mamayo, Ikum Mamalam, Ayagana Mamalam, Alva Pondra Mamalam, Ungalakku Venduma, Unge Odi Varugal, Pangu Potu Thingalam, Pathingala, Mamam Satta, Mamam Sappidum, சின்ன வயசுலே நமக்கு இந்த பாட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மாமியார் நம் தேசிய பழம், முக்கணிகளில் நன்கு. மாமியார் சாப்பிடுங்கள், சக்தியாக இருங்கள். நன்றி. எங்கள் ஆஸ்கருக்கும் என் நண்பருக்கும் வணக்கம். I am the parrot, my body in green, my house in tree. I love my favorite guava. I love my favorite chili. I love my favorite tomato. I am the beautiful bird. I am the beautiful bird. I am the beautiful bird we all loves. Thank you. Hi all, I am a peacock. I am national bird of India. I was declared national bird of India in 1963 because I am combination of Indian culture. I would like to eat fruits, grains, small snake and insects. I have very beautiful feathers, blue, green, golden colors. I like to dancing in the rain. When I so happy, I spread my feathers. Thank you. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am a peacock. I am a national bird. I like to dance. I like to dance in rainy season. I have beautiful
வைக்கணும், சாப்பாடும் தண்ணியும் வைக்கணும். எனக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லா விலங்குகளுக்கும் பறவைகளுக்கும் தண்ணி வைக்கணும். அது மனிதர்களாக உங்களோட கடமை. நாங்களும் விலங்குகள் தான், ஆனால் எப்படி பண்ணுறோம் பார்த்தீங்களா? ஒற்றுமையாக சந்தோஷமாக வாழ்கிறோம். நீங்கள் எப்போ மனிதர்களாக மாறினீங்களோ சண்டை போட்டுங்க, பொறாமை பண்ணுறீங்கன்னு மற்றவங்களுக்கு கெட்ட நினச்சின்னு இருக்கிறீங்க. அதனால் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் மரத்தையும் காட்டையும் அழிக்கிறீங்க. நீங்கள் மரத்தையும் காட்டையும் அடித்தா நாங்கள் எங்கே போகிறது? உங்கள் ஊருக்குள்ளே வந்து உங்களை தான் சொல்லப்படுவோம். அதில் நீங்கள் காட்டையும் மரத்தையும் அழிக்காதீங்க. நாங்களும் இந்த காட்டுக்குள்ள சந்தோஷமாக வாழுவோம், நீங்களும் உங்கள் ஊருக்குள்ளே சந்தோஷமாக வாழலாம். அப்படி வெட்டணும்னு பார்த்தீங்க, நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே உங்களை வாட்ச் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்போம். உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து ஓடவும் முடியாது, ஒளிக்கவும் முடியாது. We are animals are watching you.
Thank you. Good morning to all. I am a tiger. I am a national animal. I like to eat deer. I like to eat deer. I am belong to be a largest animal in cat family. I have strong body. I am a king of India. I have black stripes on my body. I have long tail. I am generally live in forest. Thank you to all.
Hello everyone. As we are doing our Children's Day celebration on this day, and the children had did their best, and almost everybody who came here, they presented well, and so this is the right time that we are going to give the prizes to the winners of those who have participated. And as I am going to read out the names, I request the children to come and get their prizes. The children who have participated are from KG to 5th standard, and they had done their best in different levels. The KG children had done as plants and trees, and the classes first and second they had done came as fruits and vegetables, and the third level they came in front of us as birds and animals. And so we are going to give them the prizes as we call out the names. Now we have come to the first level of KG children. The third prize goes to Danyashri S of KG UKG. Danyashri S, she came here as a medicinal plant of tree, neem tree. She presented to us as neem tree. And the second prize goes to Muhammad Afzal of LKG. This boy came in front of us as a mango tree. Mango tree.
Okay.
And the first prize goes to Ashi S. Naik, a beautiful rose plant. She presented to us as beautiful rose plant.
The rose plant. Okay.
I'll first call out from the first and the second standard level. The third prize goes to Kashika. She came as the coconut tree.
Congratulations.
She presented herself as the coconut tree. Kashika got the third prize. And the second prize goes to Ashwant S. This Ashwant came in front of us as a juicy grapes plant. Juicy grapes. Thank you. The first prize goes to Nakshatra R of first standard. She came as a mango fruit. She secured the first prize, Nakshatra. Next we'll call out the third level of classes 3rd, 4th and 5th. The third prize goes to 2 children. One is Monisha. She came as a bird, a parrot. Monisha came as a parrot. And Muhilnathan came as a beautiful animal, giraffe. Beautiful animal as giraffe. And 2 children secured the second prizes. And this Reena, she came as a tiger, an animal. Tiger, an animal. And Shiva Darshini, Sri Darshini, also got the second prize. She came as an octopus. A creature, sea creature, octopus. And the first prize was secured by Jeremy Ellenathan John. Jeremy Ellenathan John. He came as a tiger crawling on the ground and showing to us as a tiger, a real tiger. Thank you.
Next is our second level, 3rd standard to 5th standard, and I would like to call upon the 3rd prize winner, Adam, who dressed as Mango Parrot.
What is certificate?
Another 3rd prize, Gianna, who presented herself with octopus. Gianna. And another 3rd prize, Santoshika. Who was dressed like deer. And another 3rd prize, Ruben. Who came as an eagle. We have got 4 second prizes. I got Tanishka, who had dressed like a sparrow. Arshit Kumarian as a seahorse.
Very good.
Yesia, who came as a rabbit. And Lakshmya,
Look there.
as a beautiful peacock. Who presented herself as a peacock.
Okay. Very good.
And in this competition, Karthikesha got the first prize, who came as a lion, roaring lion.
Okay.
We appreciate all the children who participated and got the prizes, and also I thank all the parents who have praised the children. Thank you.
school is delighted to award few students who participated in the interstate level and won the prizes. Now I call a student B. Selvi Nathan, who participated in the longest distance to perform 5 kilometers single stage syllabum rotation by walking those 5 kilometers. That this is considered as a new world record and registered in the Nobel Book of World Records. Now I request our student Shivani of class 9th standard was won the first prize in women's singles badminton and in doubles organized by the Guru Varya Academy, Pondicherry. To add with, she has also won the second prize and secured the semi-finalist title in women's singles organized by the Future Stars Sports Academy, Pondicherry. Now she receives the award from the hands of her dynamic principal.
Very good, many congratulations. God bless
We
you.
are extremely proud to